Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on, let us enter inside the Forgotten Lore. Friends, I am presenting this video in two segments. The first segment is the recipe of vegetable poha, and the second segment is the discussion about the health benefits of this poha and the mixed vegetables which are present in this recipe. So come on friends, let us enter inside the Forgotten Lore and let us enjoy the video. Friends, today I am going to show a recipe which is prepared from this flattened rice. This we call it as aval. Is this poha? So from this I am going to prepare a delicious along with a few vegetables, and this is also coming under no oil no boil category. This is very suitable for bachelors. This one is prepared from brown rice. That rice is popularly known as Mapillai Samba rice. That is a delicious one, and it is highly nutritious and it is rich in fiber content. We will discuss about the health benefits of this in this video. So this is that one. So let us see what are the ingredients needed to prepare this one. This flattened rice I am going to take 2 cups. These are the vegetables now available. With 1 carrot I have taken, and few tender moringa leaves, and this is long beans. This is a variety of cowpea, and 1 tomato I have taken, and a small piece of ginger. From this a small piece I will cut and I will use, and then I will use a little bit of coconut. From this, maybe quarter of this coconut I will use. Then needed quantity of salt, and I am going to use pepper powder for this. The needed quantity of pepper we can add. So come on friends, let us start the preparation. First we have to wash all the things, and I will grate this one in the mixer jar. I am going to grate this carrot, and we will clean all these things, and this one we have to chop it into small pieces, and coconut also we will cut into small pieces. Till the time of preparation of these vegetables, let us soak this flattened rice. So I am not going to wash this one, and this is soft also, need not be soaked for a longer time. So as such, since it is clean, it is prepared from hand pound rice. If we wash it, so we may lose many kind of nutrients. So I am not going to wash it. This is already cleaned by my mom. So I am going to soak this one directly. I am going to take 2 tumblers of this flattened rice. The second cup also I have added. So we will soak it in water. We have to add only the treated water, otherwise boiled and cooled water. We need not add more water. I think this is enough. Let it soaked. If we find the water is not enough, later on we can add. Keep it aside. Friends, I got a few leaves from my garden. Already I have posted about this plant, the red amaranthus, spleen amaranthus. I will give the link in the description box. So I have taken only little because we are going to eat it raw. And 2 of gongura plants are there. So I have collected only 3 leaves. I am going to add this also with that. So if we add more, it will give sour taste. So I have taken only 3. Friends, this is almost soaked and it has become soft. So this is ready. Vegetables are also ready. Now with this, one by one, we will add So the tomatoes chopped I have added. Now I am adding vegetable cowpea chopped. Then moringa leaves cleaned and washed. So everything we have to add only in little quantity since we are going to eat it raw. Next I am adding chopped gongura. Now I am adding grated carrots. Now I am adding the cut spleen amaranth. Then finely chopped ginger. Friends, in the ingredients I forgot to mention about this curry leaves. So few curry leaves also I am going to add. I will chop it finely and I will add. In the curry leaf twig, fortunately, luckily I got these tender curry leaves so that we can add as such. Friends, look at this. How colorful it is. It's looking beautiful. And it will be delicious also and highly nutritious. Now sprinkle pepper and salt. We can increase or decrease depending on the need. So the pink salt is over. Mummy, the pink salt is over. We have to buy. So finally mix them. So friends, the food is ready. Oh, it is looking beautiful. Come on friends, let us taste the dish and then we will discuss about the health benefits of this recipe. Friends, if needed, cut onions, cilantro, that is coriander leaves also can be added. But I did not use onions and I don't have coriander leaf now with me. So I have added only these things. And this dish can be prepared anywhere outside our house. If we are outside on tour or office visit, we can take along with us and we can prepare. Now with this I am adding coconut pieces also. Always adding coconut increases the deliciousness of any dish. Friends, now we will discuss about the health benefits of this vegetable poha. Poha is nothing but it is a special kind of dish which is prepared with flattened rice. It is popular in India. Poha is very low in calories, so it is very good for weight loss. It is rich in carbohydrates and it is fat free. It is one of the fiber rich food. Since it is high in carbohydrates, it provides high energy. That means a high level of energy. The fiber which is present in this dish along with the vegetables. Here we have added a number of vegetables and green leaves. They are also rich in fiber as well as in minerals and vitamins. So altogether all these things they improve the intestinal health and the bowel movement is free so that the problem of constipation will be getting relieved. Generally poha is rich in iron. This kind of flattened rice which we have used in this dish is a brown color one and that is highly rich in iron as well as some pigments like carotenoids. So consumption of this food saves us from anemia because it improves the red blood cell corpuscle formation. Since this dish, along with the vegetables and the green leaves, since they are rich in vitamins, they are good to improve our immune system. And vitamin A, which is present in this poha and in other the green leaves, which already we have discussed about this spleen amaranth. So all these things, they helps us in improving our eyesight. The link of this spleen amaranth, that means red amaranthus video, I will give in description box. This is one of the gluten free food, so that it is a very good diet and delicious dish for the patients who are suffering with celiac disease. And another surprising character of this poha is it is a probiotic food. Poha itself is a probiotic. So during the process of this poha, it is undergoing partial fermentation so that the microbial flora is retained in this flattened rice, which is helpful in our healthy gut. Friends, about probiotic foods, I will post it in a separate video. I believe all of you love this recipe and this video. Kindly give me your feedback and your valuable comments to me. My dear friends, thank you for watching this video patiently. I will meet you in the next video. Till that time, see you. Bye bye. Take care. Best wishes.